Hi everybody, so today I have a Colourpop haul for you. This is stuff that's been building up in my mailbox for quite some time. I did ship this to myself around 6 weeks ago and it was a nightmare. I'm thinking about looking for a different mailbox service, but yeah, it just took forever. And it had been all over. It went to New York, it went to Philadelphia, it went to Kentucky for some reason, just went all over the place, and 7 weeks later arrived here. But it had like stationery supplies for school that I wanted to use in college for the Christmas quiz, and it didn't arrive in time. And then I had a customs charge because it was £2 over. It just customs. Can't you just allow a girl just a little leeway? Just £2. That's not great. It's just not fair. I just think, personally, I understand the customs charges. Well, you should be purchasing things from this country and giving money to this country, the people in this country. But you shouldn't get a customs charge on a product that cannot be purchased in the UK. If it's a US brand not available in the UK, then I don't think you should get a customs charge, because I can't buy it from the UK. If I could buy it from the UK, I'd buy it from the UK, but I can't. So don't charge me. Anyway.
Rant over.
Rant over. Rant over. I've got one Super Shock shadow called Banana Daiquiri, and I've actually worn this one. I absolutely love it, but it did get broken in transit, but that's okay because these are the creamy ones. It's a really, really pretty colour, and that is what it looks like. It's a lovely aqua shade, and I wore that with pink in the crease. Yes, pink, people. Absolutely love it. It's really, really pretty. And then I got some things from the My Little Pony collection. Oh, I got a My Little Pony eyeshadow. I got the Cherries Jubilee My Little Pony. But this is Cherries Jubilee, and it's just really pretty. It's kind of just that pink highlight sort of shade that I really like. And you could use that as a highlighter, but it's a really nice eyeshadow. So that is Cherries Jubilee. So those are the two Super Shock eyeshadows, and then I got a highlighter. Okay, I can't tell you the name of the highlighter because it doesn't have the name on it. Isn't that just wonderful? But I was so surprised that this is plastic. I don't know why, I just expected it to be cardboard. But it's plastic, but it's got a mirror in it. Really, really pleasantly surprised. I like the ponies on the front, really cute. But this is the pinky purple one. I feel like you do have to put quite a bit on, but you do get a nice lilac sort of hue. I'm hoping that you can see that there. It's really pretty. So yes. And I did sell makeup to buy makeup, which sounds ridiculous, but you know, there you go. If you're not using it, sell it. And then I got the palette. This is the first eyeshadow product that I'd got from Colourpop. Other than, oh, I know I did have a single eyeshadow called Silver Lining, which is in another palette somewhere. But I've not had a palette, and I was really quite excited to get this one. And it's really pretty. There's no mirror in this, but the packaging is really nice. It's got this little My Little Pony up there. And those are the colours. The colours just really called to me because I really like these kinds of colours. Just a nice mix of some bright colours and some neutral colours, some unusual colours. Hopefully not too bad a spot to kind of put them. But that is the range of colours. As you can see, just a nice range. Got some purples, got some blues and some pinks, some golds. This peachy gold colour at the top is just really stunning. Some nice white highlight sort of shades. Just a great mix really. And the packaging is so pretty. I love My Little Pony. And it is the original ponies. It is, as we call them, the fat ponies. Because now they've got these tiny little shriveled little beak looking things, and they're not pony shaped at all. Not proper pony shape, in my opinion. These are the proper ponies.
Have you ever seen a fat pony?
Yes! Lots of fat ponies.
Real ponies aren't fat.
They are, they're chunky little things.
No, they're spindly.
They're not spindly at all.
They've got little weak legs.
Weak. Like you, little weak ankles. And then the last thing is, well, the last other product other than lip products is the All I See Is Magic palette. And that is what it looks like. Honestly, the excitement is real. It's so beautiful. Right, I'll do some swatches of this one. I think you can still get this one. Right, that's the swatches. This has got some really nice transition shades, some nice peaches and browns, but loads of really nice metallics. This burgundy shade in the middle, so beautiful. Yeah, so I think that's really, really pretty. And I've actually had this on. Actually worn this twice now, and it's really nice. These shadows are really great quality. They blend really nicely. They're really pigmented, so really impressed. Colourpop, yet again, nails yet another product. These are not going to be any particular order, any particular colour. I'm just going to pick them out and I'm just going to swatch them. This is a Lexus Rain called Little Weapon. It's a different packaging. Normal packaging for Colourpop is just all silver. This one's got a black lid with a gold band around it. So this one is Little Weapon, Ultra Matte Lip. So that's that one there. It's just a very true red. I wouldn't say it's got undertones to it, it's just a true bright red. It's really pretty. The next one, another Ultra Matte Lip in Saigon. This looks like special packaging, so this is obviously part of somebody's collection because it's got that copper in the middle. I'm not entirely sure if anybody knows. So this is a deep red. That is Saigon. It's a bit deeper than I was expecting, to be honest, from the packaging. It's a bit deeper, but it's really beautiful. The next one is this kind of pink colour called Sizzle. This is an ultra matte lip. This is just in standard packaging. So I don't know if this was part of the peach collection, because it's kind of got a peachy sort of look to it. It's really nice. It's actually quite a brick colour. That's it there. The next one is another ultra satin lip in Ambush. That's really pretty. I like the satin consistency. It's a little bit similar to Saigon, but obviously it's satin. That's it there. I think it's just a little, not quite as deep. But I do like the satin consistency that doesn't like dry down. Two more in this section. Oh, these are from the Christmas collection, because they've got the little stars on them. So this one is Snowflake and Star-Crossed. So the lighter one is Snowflake. It is an ultra matte lip. Oh, that's quite dark. So Snowflake is that one. It's darker than all of the others. It's got a brown undertone to it, definitely that one. And then this one is Star-Crossed. This one looks like it's going to be a bit brighter. Oh, this is really pretty. This is like a red wine colour. This one is an ultra matte lip. That's more of a red wine sort of colour. It's definitely more burgundy, more blood sort of coloured. So that's those ones. I've got two of the My Little Pony ones, which are these. This one looks super scary, and then you get it on and it's just the most beautiful thing. Lemon Drop it's called. And that's it there. But when you put it on your lips, I don't know. It just, I know with a ring light it looks really bright, but it's not. So that's that one. And then the other one is called Moon Dancer, which is really pretty. I love this because I love shades like this. This reminds me of Two Lips, which is part of their permanent range. And it's a dusky sort of deep plummy red. It's really beautiful. The next shade, this just looks like part of their standard line. Rain. And it is an ultra satin. So this one's like a brownie nude. I really, really love those kinds of colours. And then another standard packaging, ultra satin again, is Stud. That's like a plummy brownie shade. That's that one. Beautiful. Really, really love that. That's very much a me colour. Ultra matte lip in Circles. Oh, that's the darkest red so far. Very, very dark. Beautiful. Love that kind of shade. I'm going to pop that in the other side. And then that looks like it's right. So these are the last two in standard packaging. Ultra Satin Lip in Tidal. That is a true brown. That is beautiful. Really love that one. And then the last one is called Mystic. And it's a satin. But this one's kind of a plum. A very dark plum. It's got a nice red to it. It's like, it's not too brown, that one. Then I've got another one of these ones with a copper around it. But this one is a satin in Virginia. Beautiful. It's a fuchsia, but a dark fuchsia. It's really beautiful. And then I've got another three which are in some sort of special packaging, and I'm hoping it's going to say something on it so I can at least tell you where it's from. Oh, it has. Okay, so this is Oh, I love Sahari. Oh, and a Christmas one. So I've got one Christmas one in Fragile Things. It's like that one. Like, so here it is here. It's similar to this one, but it's a lot cooler. I really love a nice cool tone kind of plummy colour. That's lovely. And then these are the I Love Sahari. I do have two, which I'm not swatching because I'm selling. And I'm pretty sure that I Love Sahari was a set of 3. And I'm selling this one because it just doesn't look like it's not going to be me. And then I'm selling this one, which is an ultra gloss. So there we go on my Depop if anybody's interested. The shades in those are Cupid and Cabana Boy. Right, okay, so let's swatch these two then. 951 and Mamacita. Could need a backup of 951. It's a very cool toned nudie pinky brown. Pretty. And then Mamacita just looks just perfect. I love these dark vampy colours. Oh my goodness, that's even darker than the other one that I said was just the darkest. Oh, what is Mamacita? Oh, sorry, 951 is Ultra Satin. This one is Ultra Matte. Well, that is the darkest one yet. Beautiful. I might just pop this one on. Okay, so that is it for today's haul. I know it's not a huge amount, but that's just stuff that's kind of been piling up in the boxes. You can see there was stuff from all sorts of collections there. And as always, everything was just great. I love Colourpop. I think that's a brilliant brand. Their prices are so amazing. I definitely want to try their concealer. And I'm sure they'll be bringing out lots of exciting products this year, 2018, because they're a very exciting brand, and I like that they've kept their prices low. That's really, really good. They've become very popular, but they haven't felt the need to up their prices just because they're popular, because they know they would sell, and I really respect that. I think they're a great brand. This is dried down. I know the application's not great because, you know, I just had other lipstick on, but wow. That is so beautiful. I love it. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope that you're enjoying the twice a week video schedule. I will see you in the next one. Bye!